This is Mark from MyHome.com, and we're broadcasting from Eureka Park, CES. It's really loud here, so we're not going to do individual demos, but we'll stop by every once in a while and show you things here. We have a coffee device that actually roasts the beans. He's showing everybody that. That's pretty cool.
Well, yeah, it does, but we change the filter out consistently, so it should be okay.
Are you filming us?
I am on live.
Live!
So is this yours?
It's not mine, but I lead the U.S. operations.
Oh, that's great.
Bonaverde, roast, grind, brew coffee machine. 15 minutes from crop to cup.
Oh, that's really nice.
Yeah, so it roasts the green beans, grinds, and then brews the coffee. You can also separate the processes if you want to roast, say, the night before, and then grind and brew in the morning or something. You can do that. Anytime you buy beans from us, each pouch of beans comes with a custom profile that tells the machine exactly how long to roast it. So that you get that really, each bean is unique, you know, like the way that you roast it brings out certain flavor profiles of that bean. Generally, if you roast something for a slow, long period of time, you're going to get more nuance. If you heat it up really fast and burn it, it's going to be less so. So each one maybe roasts somewhere between 10 and 13 minutes or so, and then grind it.
Okay. So is it better to roast right before you
Some people really need beans
Everybody says
24 hours.
Yeah. This is the nice thing.
Generally, people are very mixed on this.
Yeah.
Certainly, if you're going to package your beans, you need to let them rest because they need to degas. Otherwise, they're going to like blow up in your packages, right? But if you're just going to grind and brew, there's no requirement to degas. Some people prefer the flavor after degassing. Some people prefer the flavor without degassing. Personally, my palate, I can't tell the difference. For me, I get up in the morning, I hit go, I get in the shower, I come out, I drink my freshly roasted coffee.
That's awesome.
So when will this be available?
Pull out your phone and order one right now.
Right now.
CES2018 for 18% off through the end of the month. Ships immediately.
Awesome. And what's the web address?
www.bonaverde.com. BONAVERDE.com.
A little difficult health team, marketing stuff, but you're going to be
All right. This is Mark from MyHome.com.
I'm going to get that out to